Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve your problem is that your disk is using 100% and Windows 10 and 11. So how you can resolve that? So first step is that disable the SysMain Superfetch. Just simply this window, press Windows plus R and just type a services.msc and just go into that section, system name, Superfetch, and just right click and just stop it. After that, just go to the step 2. Turn off Windows searching index. Open the services again. Find Windows search and stop it. Set to the menu. And the third step is that check for the malware or viruses. You have to check that. Open Windows security. Go into the virus and threat protection and just quick scan and remove anything suspicious. And the fourth step is that you have to reset the virtual memory settings. Just right click this PC and just go into the property. Just like that, right click on the property and just go to the advanced systems and it's going to auto performance and it is going to again setting and it is going to advanced and it is going to virtual memory and it can change and check automatically and just going to manage that and set custom size, set initial size and just doing that. So all that steps which will be available in the description, I will just watch it and just properly. Just fifth step is that you just disable the startup programs just like that. Control Shift plus Escape and just go to startup tab. Control Shift plus Escape and just have to disable all the necessity apps. After that, just close it and then go to step 6. Run disk check command. Go to the command prompt admin. Just go into the icon of the window and right click and just go to the terminal admin and just going to yes it. Then just copy the prompt and just copy the prompt and enter in the section and just press enter. Restart your PC after completion. Step 7 is that update the drivers so that when the Windows 7 is make sure that it is using the updated version of the drivers of Windows. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos and also related to the Windows problems issues in your desktop or your laptop.